Welcome to yet another homemade technology how to remove the banana suckers without breaking your back and the bones. This is very homemade technology. I'm very fascinated with this one. Hello Glenn, can you tell me what is this one? What is this tool? How did you made it?
I made it out of an old shovel and I welded a handle on it.
Mm-hmm. And why did you make this one for?
Because I'm sick and tired of getting banana suckers out. hard.
Suckers out. So show me how you are.
Oh, this is how we do it.
Yeah. Do you get it with the root?
Yep.
Glenn is cutting, taking the sucker out from the banana, and who is using the tool he has made it to remove this banana sucker. As I said, is a very homemade technology. As you can see that it's a matter of minutes without any issues. He pulled the leave that with the soil, Glenn. Yeah.
There's your roots.
Yeah, with the roots. You can see that it came up with the roots and very nicely cut. Thank you very much. Thank you, Glenn. Thank you for showing this technology. You never know. Somebody may be, looking for this technology.
You never know.
Never know.